Hey guys, and welcome to the Mindful Eating Workshop. So my name is Eleanor Baker. I am a registered dietitian and owner of Elevated Nutrition and Wellness. And I wanted to invite you all to come out and join us. This is a community event that I am hosting. Typically, we're doing these workshops once a month, but this month of December will be the Mindful Eating Workshop. And it will be on December 11th, which is a Sunday at 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Eastern. So one of the reasons why I really love hosting the mindful eating workshop is because it helps you tap into what your internal hunger and satiety cues are. So a lot of times during the season, we can find ourselves mindlessly munching, and learning to get back in touch with those hunger and satiety cues can really help to prevent overeating and help you to maintain a healthy weight throughout the season. But it's also a great way to set yourself up for a good spring season as you are listening to those cues to guide your nutrition, as opposed to using an external source like a diet or calorie counting, which can be taxing and change your mental space to distrusting those cues and overriding it with a program that might not be the right one for you. So I really love using mindful eating as a way to build a really strong baseline for your health. And then if you need more medical nutrition therapy or sports nutrition, you can bring in some timing and more fine tuning. But having this as a really strong baseline is going to help make that fine tuning work a lot more effectively for you. So come out, join us. It's going to be an hour-long workshop where we'll really dive into what that hunger and satiation feels like, how you can use it to prevent overeating, as well as a 15-minute mindful eating exercise that I'll walk you through, and some Q&A at the end. Make sure to come ready. We'll have a quiz as well, where I'll be providing you with some exclusive discounts and a giveaway that you don't want to miss in relation to our group coaching program. So I hope you'll go ahead and join us, and I'll talk to you soon.